Here we are going to show you how to remove the display monitor from a Lexus IS250 2014, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is this yellow dashboard removal tool and size 10mm socket. The removal is very simple. The first thing you need to do is just pop out this cover under the monitor. If you don't have these yellow tools, you can just put your finger underneath and just lift it up, and these are the clips. And then you will see the two bolts, the size 10mm. Once you get those two bolts out, then you can just tilt the display forward, and then it's removed. And here you go. Then it has only two connectors, and that's it. And if you need any repair for the display monitor, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.